Hi, and thanks for taking a moment to take a look at this video. In this video, what we're going to do is introduce you a brand new product that is going to revolutionize the RV industry. This front end of a brand new motorhome, and everybody that's owned a motorhome knows what it's like driving into the wind. And we've got some bugs on the road. We got bugs hitting the windshield, and sometimes it sounds like it's raining bugs. We've all been there, whether it's in a car or a motorhome, but when you got a windshield this big, it becomes a problem. And this new product that we're going to introduce right here solves that problem with bugs. Can you imagine having a complete car wash in your motorhome? That's right, a complete car wash. Water, soap dispensed, rinse it off, and then a deionized rinse, a spot for your rinse where you never have to touch it, you never have to towel dry it. It is an onboard pressure washing system, and what that means is onboard is that it gets hard plumbed right into your plumbing system. So you don't have to set it out, it's actually mounted solid in. Set it out, hook up a water hose, then hook up the power cord, and go through all those functions that makes washing inconvenient, if you want to call it that. So being hard plumbed in takes a second. Make sure your generator is on, make sure that your water pump is on if you're on the side of the road. Hit the power button and take off walking with the lance and wash whatever that is important to you then. We tested all of the pressure washers that you would be able to buy at a Home Depot or a place like that, and when you put it in a confined compartment like this and close the door that you would to wash something, they typically didn't last very long at all. A lot of them actually burned up or caught on fire. So we had to take it up a level, and what we have is an induction motor here, and this motor is designed to keep cool in all environments. And then we have a commercial pump, and this pump actually is an oil bath pump, and what that does is it allows to run cooler too. We can actually run plumb hot water, 108-degree water, into this system, and it works fine. So it gives you the benefit of having if you have continuous hot water like in an Aqua Hot or other systems, it'll allow you to hot water and wash and rinse the coach. It has a soap injector, and what the soap injector does is put this right down into a bottle of soap that you like, and when you pull on the end of the lance, it will dispense the soap. It's rated at 1300 to 1100 psi. We work with all the OEMs, and that's where they like for the pressure to be at, so you don't have to worry about blowing decals off, you don't have to worry about damaging any paint or seals. So, and it provides plenty of power to wash and rinse a motorhome. We got 50 feet of hose on a hose reel here, nice and easy to roll and roll up the system. And this system can be mounted a lot of different ways. So it can be turned, 90 degrees. The hose reel can be turned 360 degrees on top of the mounting platform. And as you can see, it takes up very little floor space. This is 15 inches this way, 10 inches wide, and with the hose reel is 10 inches wide as well. So 23 inches overall in height, and it's a very nice, compact, and bulletproof system. Folks, we're back at the front of the coach and kind of want to go over some other key features of the Roadwave. This is our gun and lance, and what this gun, this part here is what we call the gun, and this is our lance. The lance basically is going to help dispense the soap and rinse the RV. So to start the wash cycle, you're going to squeeze the trigger, dispense water all over, and then you will pull this end of the knob out, and it's going to go to a low pressure setting. It's going to dispense the soap over the entire RV, and then what you're going to do is pull it back, and now you're going back to high pressure, and that high pressure, now you can rinse it. Okay, the gun, this system comes in two pieces here, and you can take this one off. We provide you with another lance, and this is what's called a turbo lance. And the turbo lance doesn't dispense soap, okay? But when you put this on, it gives you a little more reach, number one. Number two, when you activate the trigger, it's rotating the water under high pressure right onto the windshield. And so what we recommend when you're traveling, you're going to be doing quite a few miles in a day or a week, carry a nice soap or bug remover in a dispense bottle like this. So you'll start the Roadwave, you hit the windshield with some water, spray this on, let it set for a few seconds, and now the turbo lance will basically just blast the bugs right off of the front of the glass, right off the front of the coach. And it allows you to continue driving safely. The other thing we have, if the bugs are really bad, let me unscrew this, is a brush. And it comes with a, so this screws onto here. As you can tell, we didn't preset for this by any means. And then the pressure, which this can be adjusted at any angle. And this also rotates, so you can rotate the head in any direction. So now when you squeeze this, the brush is actually scrubbing the bugs right off of the windshield. You don't have to do all this back and forth scraping. The brush actually does it for you. As you can see, when the pressure's going, how the system is working. Again, folks, thank you for watching this, and we hope to earn your business.